Hey guys, I know it's been a while. You'll live. I've been working and being mom and working, but I have been getting my Ipsy, and usually it comes on the 17th of the month. And I got in this afternoon. It is the 16th of April, and my Ipsy bag was here, and I was so excited. So, let's see what's in it. If you don't know what Ipsy is, you probably shouldn't even be watching this video, because why not? I did open it earlier, and I realized that I left the little card in the other room. I didn't open this, though. It comes with a card that says, if you take a picture of your bag, you can Instagram it and win something. I don't know. This is the bag. It's really weird, and it reminds me of a grandma. It's like woven paper. Oops, God. Oh, what else? Let's see what's in it. Because I looked online, but it's been a couple weeks. I don't remember. Hey, honey. Good morning. Honey Silk Facial Serum. All day nourishing. Directions: apply daily by itself or under your day or night cream. Excellent when used under makeup, providing a smooth and glossy appearance to your skin. Glossy? I don't know that I want a shiny face. I mean, probably nothing I'll use. Hikari? Hikari? Blush in Tango. I don't know what brand that is. Oh my gosh. Seriously, with the... Golly, this is huge. Okay. It's very bright. I'm not a wow. Yeah, you can't tell on this computer because it's... Ooh. It smells like blush. Okay. It's very bright. You might not could see that. It's very bright. But it almost might work for me. I'm not a blush user. I like the color of my skin. Okay. Star Looks. Cuddle. Star Looks. I'm assuming it's a gloss. It's very like coppery. It's pretty brownish coppery. I don't do lip glosses. I don't like the feel of them. I would much prefer a lip stain. So my daughter might get that because that's a good color for her. Nude Dude. Mini Nude Eyeshadow. Oh. It's got like a magnetic. And it's mini. But it's a pretty color. It's brown. It has like no color when you... Good night. Okay. I mean, it's a cute little sample size. I'm wondering if it... Volume 2, Volume 2. I don't know what that means. Tinted Lip and Cheek Balm. Oh my. Smells citrusy. Citronella wax. Orange, okay. If it's tinted, you can't tell. IDK. Why not? That's it. I did do some of my points and get a lip gloss, but it didn't come, so maybe they're mailing it separately. I don't know. That's my Ipsy. I'm so excited. Mildly disappointed, not overly thrilled about this month. Last month was iffy, so we'll see. I might stop with the Ipsy, or I might just start catering it to my daughter and hand it over to her. So I'm going to go take a shower because it's nice and quiet, and before Kenny realizes I'm gone, I need to go take a shower. Y'all be good.